Welcome back. Now in this tutorial we are going to learn how we can configure the top bar of our just installed default theme. I am going to customize the theme, so be careful and be attentive. This is the main thing you are going to learn. So let's move to my AC docs and YouTube OC. So when you come here at the root folder of your project, go to the catalog. After going to catalog, I have already discussed about controller, language model and view. So this is called MVCL, model view controller language model. So for now we have only concern with the view folder in catalog, and we have also some concerns with admin folder which is at root, but for now we have only concern with the catalog folder. So open the view folder and go to the theme, and there is already a theme called default. It is highly recommended that do not create updation to this theme. We have to copy this, okay, and we have to paste here, and we have to rename it. We have to rename it like I said that Preweb is my theme name. Okay, I have just cut it again and paste over here. So do not, I am going to again warn that do not do the customization on the default theme, and I will tell you later why I am saying this. For just now, we have copied this folder and we rename it to Preweb. Now go to your admin panel, like localhost, your domain name, your project name, and / you have to write admin. Then you can access this, and we have to enter the username and password which we have given at the time of installation of the Opencart. So here's the dashboard, and there's a lot of customization and a lot of options on the dashboard. For now we are going to just ignore it because our concern is just with the customization of the header portion of the theme. So we have to go to the settings and go to the use store edit, and from here you can see please wait a second, I will tell you from where we have to go to the extensions, go to the themes, edit it, and theme directory will be Prewebsolution, and let all other options be same and click on save. Okay, now our store directory is Prewebsolution. I will again tell you, go to the extensions, then from this drop down menu go to the themes, and then click on this edit button and theme directory and choose Preweb. Okay, and save it. Now the changes we do in the Preweb directory folder, it will shown here. Okay, so go to your root folder again, and to go to the theme folder, go to the catalog, view, theme, Preweb. From here there would be always 3 folder. Okay, image, style sheet and template. This is the default directory structure of Opencart, and we have to follow this, and there should be always these 3 folder. which is image, style sheet and template. Okay, in images we have to put the images that we use in our theme, and then there is a style sheet which are used for styling the theme, and then there is a template options further categorized into subfolders which are account, affiliate, checkout, common, error, extension, information, mail and product. These are all concerned, these are the folder you are concerned with, and for now we have only concern with the common folder. Common folder contain all the common things like cart, common left, column right, content bottom, content top, currency, footer, header, home, language, maintenance, search and successful. If we go to the header.tpl, TPL is a language in which Opencart works on TPL files, and it reads the TPL files, and it gives you the output. So when I open the header.php, there is a lot of code you will see. So this is the HTML template, and this was the direction. That may be like left to right or right to left, and same as here, and this is the head portion. It will contain meta tags, meta description, meta keywords, and these are the link files, okay, that are result in the view JavaScript folder. Okay, all theme JavaScripts and the folders that are used in our project will be placed in catalog view JavaScript. Here you are going to place every asset of your project. Okay, and these are dynamically including the links, scripts and Google Analytics code, and this is the class. And from here, actually from this body and nav tab, our main concern starts. So you can see that there's a div called container, and it contains eco currency and eco language, and you can see these two lines are predicting this thing. Okay, as far as we do not have any language, so it is not showing the language over here, and this is the currency. This line of code is showing this drop down menu. So if I want to change this menu, drop down menu, how I can change it? Because this is a simple PHP echo statement, and it's just echo the variable called currency. But if you want to make the changes in currency, go to your again catalog, view, theme, Preweb, templates, common, and there would be a currency.tpl. Actually this file contains all the information about the drop down menu and about currency. This file have all information about currency. So let's have a look that count currencies. If currency is greater than 1, then there is a div class pull left. Okay, let's see if the class is pull left. Okay, just inspect it. Okay guys, so this is the class pull left, and after that okay, This is the pull left class, and after that the form is started, and it's echo the action, and the action is written already over here, that is dynamically created, and method will be post and all that information. The thing I want to tell you that the Opencart has individual file for each option, or it may be included in the same file. You have to find it by yourself, or I will tell you that it is a separate file, or it will be included in that file. Okay, and all currencies would be dropped down with this for each loop, and for this for by for from each loop. Okay, so if I want to change anything in currencies, I have to change my currency.tpl file. Okay, let's suppose I want to change this dollar currency. Okay, what I have to do is I have to go to this actually this piece of line of code is telling that you have to write dollar currency. And how I can change this text currency, how I can change it, we have to go to the language, we have to go to catalog, and then we have to go to language engb, and we have to go to common, then we have to go to currency, and this is the currency. Let's suppose I will change it into currencies, save it, and now I refresh it, and it would be like currencies. As I have already told you that Opencart is MVC based, so all things are loosely coupled, and there is no fast and fast rule that you have to change all the files, etc., etc. You have to just change your one file, and the reflection will be on your interface. So let's see. Will the currencies change into currencies or not? So guys, you can see that here was currency, and I have changed it into currencies, and a lot of option is there, and you can do it from that file. Okay, so and these are all from the backend. That let me tell you one thing. Go to your settings, localization, then go to currencies, and these are three currencies that are shown in the front end. If you want to show any two, you can, and you can just edit it. Sorry, okay, delete it. Secondly, there is an option like symbol should be left or right. If you write here symbol left, then it will show the symbol left, and here is the code that is that checks that the symbol is right or left. If currency symbol left and currency code is equal to code, this means that some code is coming, then you have to echo the currency symbol left, and if the symbol is right and some code is coming, then you have to write the, let's suppose I have changed into right symbol. Now let's see what change is reflected on our interface. I will refresh it, and please refresh, sorry to say, please refresh it from Control R or Control F5, because you have to clear your cache, otherwise no reflection will be shown. So please be careful about it. every time you want to refresh your browser, you have to do Control R or you have to do Control F5. Multiple time, do it multiple time, because sometimes while doing it for one time, the browser cache cannot be clear, and still you are seeing the old interface and the changes will not be reflected. So don't worry, always when you are going to wait a second please. Okay, sorry, I was in some trouble. This line of code means that if it is left symbol or whether it is right symbol, you have to print that symbol. Okay. Okay guys, then this all uh, this all code belongs to the currency, and after that we will go to our header.tpl and this language file. And if you want to see it, you have to go to your catalog, view, themes, preweb, template, common, and language.tpl. If count is language is greater than 1, it is not showing because there is no language in there is only one language, which is English. And you can see over here like catalog, view, catalog, language, and there is only one folder. If I let's suppose I do it like sorry, I will do it like this. Let's see whether the language will be shown or not. Language drop down will be shown or not. Okay, it is not shown because we do not have all these. Let's copy this and create a new folder, en.sp, and let it go here and go to our admin settings, languages, and here's only one language. Let me name it like Spanish. Before the language. Okay, let's just skip it. So we will discuss it later, and now just go to the header.tpl, and there is a drop down menu about contact and phone, and there is a drop down of account, and if the account is logged in, then it will show these, and if it is not, it will show register and login. Then there is a wish list, shopping cart, and all this. So first of all, I have to go to my this, and I have to inspect it, and I have to change its color, and this is the top, and we have to remove all this. Now you have to write background color. Okay, I just copy this, and you can see here that this is the HTML line number, and it's showing the directory that go to your domain, and then go to your folder name, then catalog, view, theme, default, or style sheet. Okay, I have to catalog, view, theme, default, and style sheet. Okay, before that you have to go to your common, then you have to go to your header.php, and you have to change from default to Preweb. Okay, because we have to use the style sheet of our current theme directory. Preweb template, Preweb style sheet, and this is the style sheet, and we have to go to line number 80, and this is the top, and I have to just remove this, and I have to replace with background color to #000. Okay, now you can see this space is empty, and here this is not too much space, and this is why, because the container is used. And if you are familiar with Bootstrap, if I do container flow, then it will be 100%. Okay, you can see that it have come over here. So now the text color is too much dull, and it's look like very odd. Inspect and go to the color, #FFF. Okay, now I have to go to 102, and I have to replace this color and remove the text shadow. Okay, go down, go to your style sheet, go to your 102 line, and remove these two, and do this. So now you can see I have